In today's video, I'm going to do a tablescape. Now I'm participating in a collaboration, so I hope you watch the video to find out what I'm going to do. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and thank you for coming. And if you're an oldie but goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. And you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And on my website, creatively-missme.com, I've created forums to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. Now let's get into this video. Now today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now the collaboration is entitled Cinco de Mayo Tablescape of 2020. And it is hosted by two wonderful YouTube sisters. Kelly at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And her co-host is Erica at Love is the Main Key. Now if you haven't heard of these two ladies, I will have the link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description. Now, they have simple rules. They just ask for you to decorate your table for Cinco de Mayo and use the bright colors. Now, if you're not aware of what Cinco de Mayo is, she asks you to Google it, and that way you can see the colors. Now, two things that she asks. She asks that you either have a sombrero or maracas in your video. She says that you can DIY them if you don't have them, or you can use pictures or print off something because you know you're not able to get out to stores. She asked you to use the proper protocol for a collaboration. Now she asked that you be a subscriber to her channels, they asked that you be subscribers to both of their channels, that you mention both of their channels in the video, that you include a link to their channels along with the playlist when it becomes available down below in the description. And they asked that you use a hashtag. And I'm going to run it across the screen. The hashtag is Who Sunk the Mayo Tablescape 20. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this tablescape challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. here, why don't you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now here's an overview of my Cinco de Mayo table. I tried to be colorful but make it look pretty at the same time. So I'm going to go in and I'm explain to you my decor. Now the first setting here, I predominantly use the colors orange, teal, yellow. I predominantly use the colors blue, orange, yellow, and teal. So each setting has that color as the main colors, and all of them use the same wood charger from the Dollar Tree, and then all of them have a different color jalapeno plate in the center. We're going to start here at the orange placemat, which was thrifted, along with the Dollar Tree wood charger, the Dollar Tree teal plate, the jalapeno bowl that was thrifted, and then we have the blue Dollar Tree wine goblet. The yellow napkin is from eBay, and the green napkin ring was thrifted. The next setting has the blue placemat, which came from, I think, Pure One, the wood charger, Dollar Tree, the yellow plate, Dollar Tree, and then it has an orangey looking jalapeno plate. On the side it has a turquoise napkin with the green ring, and then it has the orange wine glass. So my colors are predominantly orange, blue, teal, and yellow at each setting, but all in a different way. I thought it was very nice, pretty to me, trying to get the colors to coincide. So here we have the yellow placemat, the wood charger, the blue plate, the red jalapeno, the turquoise glass, orange napkin, and green napkin ring. See, I have the colors in all in some sort of way. The last setting has the turquoise placemat, the wood charger, the orange plate with a green jalapeno plate in the center. It has a blue napkin, the green ring, and it has the yellow wine glass. So I tried to make sure each one had the correct color sitting with all of them, because I really had fun coming up with this idea. Now we're going to look at my centerpiece. My centerpiece, I used the lime green placemats. I think I got those at Big Lots, I think. And then the salt and pepper shakers or jalapenos. Those were ordered off of eBay. And then the napkin holder is a yellow jalapeno. That was from eBay as well. And then the chip and dip hat in the middle, that was a thrift find. And for the life of me, I can't remember where I got the two country decorations, the jalapenos in one and then the onions in the other. I cannot remember where I purchased those at. I've had them so long. But I tried to make my Cinco de Mayo table colorful, but not disrespectful. So here is my Cinco de Mayo tablescape for 2020.